Ownership of views and editors in Eclipse. Here you can see ownerships of views and editors. The workbench contains one or more workbench windows, each of which contains 0 or more workbench pages. The workbench window supplies the trim widgets, and the workbench page supplies the window contents. In theory, the workbench window can contain any number of pages, but in practice there is never more than one page in a window. Views and editors are owned by Page. Through a view factory and editor manager respectively. Editor manager stores the list of editors and their shared resources, and view factory stores a reference counted list of views. The workbench works in terms of editor references and view references, and in situations where the distinction between editors and views is not important, we will simply use the term part. The implementation of the part, typically an iEditor part or iView part, is created lazily when it is first needed. A part reference exists for every tab, but the implementation is only created the first time it becomes visible. The page owns a set of perspectives. Perspectives contains a layout and information about what action sets to enable. Although perspectives appears to contain views and the editor area, they only own a layout. Page itself maintains a reference count for how many perspectives are using each view, and has complete ownership of the parts and editor area. Not shown in this figure are classes perspective helper and editor area helper. Workbench contains workbench windows. Workbench window contains workbench pages, and workbench page contain editor manager, a view factory, and perspectives. Editor manager contains editor references, and editor reference contain 0 or 1 iEditor part. View factory contains reference counts, and reference count is connected to view reference. View reference contains 0 or 1 iView part. Perspective is connected to reference count, and increments are passed from perspective to reference count. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.